Howdy! On today's video, I'm going to walk you through my process for flood irrigation prep. As always, if you like the video and want to see me continue doing things like this, please don't hesitate to subscribe on the button below. All right, let's get into it. All right, today's project is going to be pretty similar to the last one in that I'm going to be cutting weeds again. As you can see, right down here, whoops, went out of view. Right down here, you can see that I have one of my ditches. So here on the property, I flood irrigate, and so that means I bring the water in from a main canal and move it through gates to get to my field, and then I flood it with water. And as you can see, it's clogged with weeds right now. And so what I need to do is I need to go and clear out all these weeds. So I need to clean the weeds out from each of the turnouts. That's where the water goes out of my ditch right here and into the field. So I've got to clean the weeds out of there. Any bit of restriction at all really prevents the water from flowing as quickly as you'd like it to. And considering that my field typically takes anywhere from 8 to 12 hours to irrigate, I don't want to restrict any flow of water. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty, we're pretty well done with the mowing, at least down the south side of the bank. Now I'm going to be coming right back up, well, get my finger there, right there, down or I'm going to be going down that strip on the north side of the bank. Some of you may be wondering why I didn't just get it all in one fell swoop, and why I left that little strip along the bank. Well, I'll tell you, and also some of you may not be wondering, but I'll tell you anyway. The reason why is because my weed whacker, the wheel on it with the string, rotates clockwise, and so that means it throws it to the right. So when I'm coming down, it's throwing it towards the canal. So I leave that little strip of weeds to block any weeds from going in the ditch, because that just saves me more clean out. Because if anything goes into the ditch, I have to clean it out, so it doesn't clog my turnouts. And so when I go back, I'll be going back that way. It'll be kicking out to this side because it'll be kicking out to the right. So that's why. Makes a lot of sense to me. But anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and get this cut and finished up. Just in case anybody was wondering, in a pinch, you can use cow pies to stabilize your tripod. So you can order those from me. I'll send you as many cow pies as you want, and they work great for leveling out your tripod. All right, let's get to work. Okay, now that I've got all the weed whacking done, you can see we've made a nice little swath going down by the south side of this irrigation ditch here. Now what I've got to do is I've got to clean out the canal itself, or the ditch, sorry, clean out the ditch, all these weeds so it doesn't block my turnouts. And then I've just got to remove all the weeds from each of the turnouts. And so I'm going to get to that.